How to prune a pothos plant to keep its shape full and beautiful, and here is how. Prune your pothos plant in spring or early summer for better results. When pruning your pothos plant, use sharp, clean scissors to make sure your tools are super clean. Spray with rubbing alcohol. Cut back any long bare stems or stems that have a really big separation between the leaves. Cut about a ½ inch under the leaf, just like that. If stems have plenty of leaves, you can just cut back a little bit of the stem, and again ½ inch under the leaf. I would also cut back this stem. As you can see, it has a big separation here, so I'll just simply cut it, and again ½ inch under the leaf. And now we have a much better shape of the plant, and it's going to force the plant to fill the center, so it's going to get fuller and better looking. Do not cut too many stems at once. It may shock the plant. Cut the plant little by little once every 2-3 weeks. After pruning a pothos plant, new stems and leaves typically show up within a few weeks, depending on factors like light, temperature, and overall plant health. Warmer temperatures and bright indirect light will encourage faster growth. Have any more questions about how to prune pothos plant? Let me know in the comments below.